I'm just saying that dog gets fed first because he's the shop dog.
Yeah. My mom told me that Lucky, she feed Lucky vegetables. He eat.
He's at the vegetables. Yeah, but it's not something you want to give dog. Hello. Are you a little princess? Eh? Are you a little princess? Yes. Are you a little princess? So there's not a lot going on. Brother's not selling chicken today. Well, it was his day off yesterday as well, wasn't it? Has he gone to Carabanga?
What? Carabanga?
Calabanga. Oh, I'm close, aren't I? I tell you, my mind's like blinking mush here. I can't get my words out. Can't think of what I want to say. And this memory card's drove me crazy. I've been trying to get the cards to format all day and it just keeps coming up error. Was unable to format the card. So that's 2 cards down and this one to go. So third time lucky, eh, babe? 3,000 pesos later. But I think compared to the West as well, these are quite expensive, but somebody might tell me different. But what is it? About 1,000 pesos is about £17, isn't it? I think. It's a lot of money. Hello. Hello. Ooh. Yeah, that one. Hello. 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 Yeah, she will do. I was walking away from the house and her the pink dress slut, she come behind me and pulled my pants down and she thought it was highly hilarious. Well, obviously I didn't. I didn't say anything to her, but
she's looking at you, look.
Sometimes little baby. Oh, I shouldn't touch you, I've got dirty hands. Boom. You're a good girl. Most of the time kids have got respect for the adults and they do the blessings and stuff like that, but for some reason I'm bringing the worst out in these kids, aren't I? That's the bowl that the dog had his stuff in, isn't it? Yeah. And it just kept falling over.
So Princess Sophia.
So nobody's selling any food today. Mind you, it's Sunday, isn't it? That's why.
Best time.
So I'm just saying, any ideas for videos to let us know, and we're thinking of doing a live stream, so we're looking into that. We'll see how that goes. I don't know about that.
Just wait my payback.
Payback?
Yeah.
No, I think we're about even now. But I'm thinking of doing something, but by some of the comments I've had with just an egg, if I do what I actually think they're doing, they'll all go crazy. You're so bad! Bah, 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 bah. Even though that's what we do to each other. Now, I wouldn't do something to you that I knew that you weren't going to be happy with, you're going to fall out with me over.
Yeah.
But there's people subscribe that just always, you're bad. It is.
That's what we are, right?
Yeah.
We're doing selling each other.
Yeah. And we've got a weird relationship, haven't we? Where we think things are funny and other people wouldn't. Yeah. You see, I'm a child in a 57 years old body. I am though, mentally, aren't I? And you know, people have said that to me and I put my hands up and say, yeah, you know, I'm very immature. But I like it that way. And that's why I wouldn't get on with somebody my age, because they'd go off me pretty quickly, wouldn't they? See, I can't get my words out.
It's alright.
It's weird. So that's it, guys. Nothing exciting. We thought we'd give you an update on the dog to show you he's doing okay. We're getting him.
He's very active now.
Yeah, we'll see if we can get him really fat where he's not skinny on his back end.
Yeah.
But I'm very impatient. I want to see results. After all what I'm putting down his neck and feeding him and all the medication, he should be fine. He's been wormed and all that, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it then, guys. It's over to my baby.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
And visit our website at BritainThePhilippines.com. Compliments of our friend, very good friend, Christopher Monk. Thank you, Christopher, as always. He's also a patron, and if you would like to become a patron, would really appreciate it. The links are in the description below. If you want to give a one-time off gift, the PayPal link is there too, so it's ever so easy. Click on the link and Bob's your auntie and Bill's your uncle.
But wait, there's more.
Right, I thought we were finished, but Mel says do a little bit more video because it's getting dark now. Show them what it's like when it gets dark. Oh, they're selling food there, Mel. They are, aren't they?
I don't know. Where?
Yeah. I don't know what they're selling here because normally on Sunday there's not many people selling food. Yeah.
It's a fruit. It's
Oh, is it a
lime.
fruit?
Lime.
Okay.
The one that we buy.
So Mel says, don't go home yet. Let's stand by.
Yes, because it's boring
Right.
in the house.
Now, look at this little pretty lady here. This is Kiana. Now,
Kiana.
Kiana.
The daughter of Grace.
daughter of Grace, who's pregnant. She's having another baby. It's number 5.
Yeah. It's
Right.
number
Yes, it is.
5.
Okay. So we're just discussing it that, right, Grace is on number 5 child, and is it Kiana and just a brother that lives with her?
Yeah.
Right, so Kiana and her brother lives with Agnes.
She's the one look after.
Yeah, and they're always with Agnes. They don't live with her mum.
Yeah.
Her mum's not long since had a little baby. He's about 1 now.
I think, yeah.
Near enough, about, I don't know, 10 months, 1, something like that. Now she's pregnant again with number 5, and she's always struggling for money.
Yeah, that's why she always come to the shop
Yeah,
just to dishwash. To
yeah.
wash the
And she only gets like, what is it, 120 pesos. And then what else does she do, Mel?
just only wash lang.
No, I mean, does she work anywhere else?
No.
So that's what she's doing a day just to feed the kids. Now the last kid, he was really ill, wasn't he?
Yeah,
Because
the last
she was feeding him on rice water. You know, she'd boil the rice
Yeah.
and then she'd put the water in a bottle and feed that to the kid because she couldn't afford milk.
Yeah.
So yeah, it does make you think a bit. That's one of the reasons we had to stop helping a family out behind here, because she had 1 baby and then just like 3 months in she had another one, didn't she? Well, she got pregnant with another one. And you tend to wonder whether, because you're helping, it's encouraging them to have another kid. I mean, probably not. It's just one of them things in the Philippines. But, you know, we talk about it all the time, don't we?
If there's a leftover the food in the shop, she bring to their family.
Yeah, yeah. So she doesn't just get 120 pesos. She can have food if there's any as well.
Yeah.
She gets fed, and so does the kids. But when Kiana and her brother's around anyway, they just come into the shop and they get food, don't they?
Yeah.
But where's Agnes anyway? So Agnes isn't about. We had Joy round last night, didn't we?
Yeah.
And she had a few tears because she had a problem she was asking me advice about.
Yeah.
Which I'd love to tell you, but I can't. It's all in confidence. But I'm going to help her out, and that's tomorrow. We're gonna hopefully get it sorted out for her.
I hope so.
Yeah. Because you know me, right? I'm a sucker for a sob story.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, if you see over here, that shop's opened again.
There's a new shop over there. You see that there.
What?
There's a shop.
On the corner?
In front of that. There's a new.
Oh, on the right hand side, yeah, I've seen it. Yeah, this shop I told you shut down the other day for the second time. Right, after only being open 2-3 months, now it's open again with somebody different. So that's the third time it's opened in the span of about 9 months. So it just shows you, you know, I've had messages saying, you know, Sari store can work. Well, yeah, it possibly can. But as long as it's run by a Filipina who's prepared to sit there all day, keep it stocked. You know, if you're like me, you've come over here to retire. Here, they do fresh fish in the morning and what they call small shrimp, and then green lip mussels, we used to call them. They're about that big, they're beautiful. So yeah, this is the new shop that's open, and these ones have been here for a while, but you can get bits of fruit and that from here, veg. So my point is, there's lots and lots of Sari stores. I mean, if it's a decent spot, you're gonna already have a Sari store as two.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so